Let's talk about Hurricane Milton and the tornadoes that it spawned last year. An incredible number here that really very difficult to forecast. We had record numbers of kind of EF3 tornadoes that were touching down across Florida as a result of a hurricane that was nowhere near there. That's incredible, right? Well, we sent our Morgan Rynor to check in on conditions on the ground and to see how folks are doing after Milton.
Right now it looks like I'm standing in an empty field, but there were 4 homes standing in this exact area when a series of tornadoes ripped through this Fort Pierce community.
So over here was my lot.
Jackie Scott walked us down her old street in Spanish Lakes Country Club Village in Fort Pierce.
This is where I was.
And pointed out where she was hiding with her dog and 2 cats on October 9th.
Sounded like a plane that's fell out of the sky.
Hurricane Milton hit the west coast of Florida head on, but according to the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, at least 45 known tornadoes broke out on land across central and southern Florida that day.
I didn't even realize that part of the roof was gone and the rain was coming in.
Oh, violent tornado, violent.
The most significant of them, an EF3 tornado hit Fort Pierce, killing 6 people.
The Lord, I guess, just gave us a miracle because we were never touched.
This is what the community looked like when I returned 1 month later. Houses piled up on top of each other. Today, the debris is cleaned up. It's one vacant lot after another. Scott's is one of them. She didn't have insurance.
The insurance for a mobile home is outrageous. It was like over $4,000.
She lost her home, moved in with friends until she found a new mobile home in a different community in Fort Pierce, started working again as a caretaker. But despite all she's been through, she considers herself one of the lucky ones.
My FEMA money was there within 2 weeks.
Gina McCamey hasn't had it as easy. She says dealing with FEMA, permits with the county, the country club became a full-time job.
Everything had flown away.
And the expenses involved?
$40,000 to put a carport and a screened-in porch back on.
Do you feel like all of this has pushed back, at least for your husband, his retirement date?
Oh, yeah, we probably won't retire. He'll work until he's no longer here.
All these mobile homes were pushed up against each other.
Michael Bass lives in a concrete home, which did not get damaged, but the homes all around him did. He put his home on the market.
And I got feedback from the open houses that, I don't want to live in your devastation. Look out your window.
For people in this community, it still doesn't feel real. Jackie Scott said a normal cloudy day now gives her anxiety. And as we begin the next hurricane season,
if it's going to be bad, leave. I stayed because I really had no choice, but I had to stay. And I would have stayed anyways because I was that stubborn.
We spoke to a handful of people driving through this community, and you only heard from a few of them. But all of them that we spoke to had the same message. It's that if a storm is coming, take it seriously, even if you don't think it's hitting your community directly. In Fort Pierce, Morgan Rynor, CBS News, Miami.